Hello guys, welcome to my quick short vlog. This is my recent purchase, 2002 Prius. That's the USA version, which you can tell by these side markers, for example. Also, a small plate in the back, and there's also Fahrenheit instead of Celsius inside the cabin. But this is the creme de la creme, which is the same drivetrain as the Prius 2, so the successor of it. The US got a slightly bigger electric engine, which really helps this car, especially if you don't put in too much stuff in it. So yeah, classic Toyota stuff, faded lights from the sun. So I'm gonna take care of this, do some oil change. I already did 5,000 miles. It's 175 now, or 6 on the clock. So I'm gonna change the oil right now. Let's see. Is there oil inside? Huh? Oh yeah, it's time for a change. That's for sure. Let's see what's going on in here, huh? It's a very humid area in here in Poland, but as you can see, there's nothing there. Right, I don't know the level, forgot to check. But yeah, let's clean the stick first. Let's see what's what. Alright. Gonna grab some toilet paper. Let's see what's going on in there. Yeah, I guess we can say we're at max, so exactly where I put it last time. Alright. Yeah, changing oil is pretty simple. As you can see, my pan was bashed in, doesn't matter. Still works, still holds oil. Right, so the drainer here. There's the there's the transmission pan. It's pretty easy to change the oil here as well, which I did. I think it's a little bit seeping here because I used the old gasket, but the level's good. I don't care. Yeah. So yeah, let's take a look what's going on here. Yeah, it's pretty rusty. There's a clamp that they put in to hold that metal shield, heat shield. What's next? Here's the cat. So, whoops. Here's the cat. So that's the money shot right there for you. Still original. It's in the place. That's another one, I think. Or just some muffler, huh? Seems like someone had a go on it already. Oh, that's cracking at the top, huh? Yeah, but the floor is pretty good. There's nothing there. There's a little bit of mud here. Need to address, but yeah, looks decent. The back's not that perfect, but for a Toyota in Poland, that's super clean, guys. So we know we have very harsh conditions here, and when it comes to the chemicals that our government uses. Yeah, put new endings in. Also, new shocks. Just when I bought the car, I had some error on the steering rack, but I just have a small shake on startup sometimes. But I get used to it, and I don't care anymore. No errors. As you can see here, someone tried to weld the catalytic converter. I don't know, maybe they pull it out. I'm not sure. At this point. And this is the creme de la creme. Somebody got a really tall driveway, I guess, or something, because this is like a full-on scrape. It's not just one point, it's like a full-on white surface, right? And it's almost sharp. Yeah, check this out. It's nice, really nice. Oil filter removed. You can see standard oil filter, nothing magic in here. Huh? Tasty, tasty. Oil filter in place. Still a small spot in here, but in general good. So time to put this bad boy down. Okay guys, remember always to check your fluids. So this is the reservoir for the inverter system. Yeah, let's take a look. Okay, yeah, I guess we're good, right? Could add something, but I'm gonna check later when I'm gonna put the car down on the ground when it's level. Right now it's on the left. And I also noticed that it's very low in here, but I'm gonna set the car on the ground and confirm, and of course everything goes perfect as usual. Spilled some oil right there, you can see, huh? That's gonna smell nice for the next couple of weeks, huh? The new oil is really bright, so you barely can tell that I here have my level already reached. Right, and double check the side, see, but that's fine. That's fine. Okay. For the version Prius, you need to use the T4 fluid. T4. I use Ravenel. It's pretty good. Okay, I'm inside. Have a key. It's like regular key for any other car. Nothing special. I already have, of course, I have the cover for the steering wheel, which is nasty. Right? Where's that? This out from here. So I'm gonna keep the engine running for a while. Yeah. Then see if I gonna have any more leaks. Well, the car started pretty good. Should be alive. Alright. Have the car on the left. Let's see. Small drip here, huh? Maybe we need to tighten this a little bit. But our filter looks good. Okay, take two. I tightened it a little bit. Much better now. Here are effects of quick polish. This is how it used to be. You can see clearly it's a little bit of yellowish. Right, and after quick polish, real quick polish, 15 minutes, Yeah, much better. If someone asks, these are Volkswagen wheels, 14-inch. They feel pretty well. Has a nice CT. They're already available here in Europe, all over the place. Really cheap. Don't look that bad. And they were a savior because the car used to have really ugly Honda wheels. But now looks pretty good. And here's the rear, how the rear sits. As you can see, the rear has the drums, but it's more than fine for this car, really. It's more than fine. And yeah, with those wheels you need to use a small spacer. Use the cheap plastic stuff, just cleaned it really good. And yeah, see, it's even cracked, but it's still good enough where it sits. Huh? Oh, nice. I think I'm gonna need to see car wash. Huh? I did the brakes like 5k miles ago, 4. As you can see, Kamoka makes pretty good stuff. Of course, it was not the winter season, but we'll see. And here's a look on the new shocks. Right, there's... what is this? Somebody put some stuff over it. Huh? Guess we need to take a look later. Yeah, there's a Toyota thing, yeah. Nice one. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like another video showing off how to service the battery, the hybrid battery, let me know in the comments and I upload the video. Have fun.